Hi there. In the last video I went through some of the basics behind matrices, and in this video I'm going to go through how we add or subtract two matrices. Okay, now there's a condition for when we add or subtract, so let me explain. So let's continue on the reverse. So let me title this addition and subtraction. Let's take a red pen, underline this. So we can only add or subtract two matrices of the same size. Okay, so same size means, remember in the last video, the number of rows and columns of both of the matrices concerned must be the same. Okay, if we were to either add or subtract, so you would either say that the size of your two matrices are the same, or you could also say that the dimension of both matrices must be the same in order for you to either add or subtract. So let me make that point known. So we can only add or subtract two matrices of the same size. Okay, so that is very important. So let me go through this in relation to 2 by 2 matrices, but this also works with two matrices, but remember, for two matrices or having the same dimension. But I'm going to go through the concept using 2 by 2 matrices. Okay, so let me take a general some general 2 by 2 matrices. So for 2 by 2 matrices, supposing we have a matrix A defined by A11, A12, A21, A22, okay, and if we have a matrix B, if that's defined by B11, B12, B21, B22, okay, so let's calculate A plus B for these two matrices. So for A plus B, we're adding A11, A12, A21, A22, so that's matrix A, to matrix B defined by B11, B12, B21, B22. So we can add these two matrices A and B because the dimensions of both of the matrices concerned are the same. So for A, I have a 2 by 2 matrix, so 2 rows, 2 columns. For B also, I have a 2 by 2 matrix, so 2 rows, 2 columns. So since the dimensions of both matrices are the same, we can add. Now, when adding or subtracting two matrices of the same dimension, the procedure is simple. All you do is add or subtract, if you're subtracting, the corresponding elements. Okay, so we're adding over here. So in order to work out the first element of row number 1, all we do is add the corresponding elements. So we add A11 to B11, giving us A11 plus B11. For the second element of row 1, we add the corresponding elements A12 to B12, so giving us A12 plus B12. For the first element of row 2, add the corresponding elements A21 plus B21, so A21 plus B21. And for the second element of row 2, add in the corresponding elements A22 plus B22, A22 plus B22. Okay, So adding or subtracting is straightforward. All you do is add or subtract the corresponding elements. So as I say, when we're subtracting, so as I said earlier, so if we're subtracting, so A11, A12, A21, A22, so that's matrix A, minus matrix B, B11, B12, B21, B22. So now we're subtracting the corresponding elements. So in this case, first element of row 1, A11 minus B11. Second element of row 1, A12 minus B12. So A12 minus B12. First element of row 2, A21 minus B21. So A21 minus B21. And second element of row 2, A22 minus B22. So A22 minus B22. Okay? So again, when adding or subtracting two matrices of the same size, just add or subtract the corresponding elements. Okay? Let's take it further with some examples. So example number 1. Let me underline this. Okay? So if I have a matrix A, so if matrix A is defined by the 3 by 3 matrix, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 5, 6, 0, minus 1. And if I have another 3 by 3 matrix B, that is defined by 0, minus 2, 1, 3, 0, 5, 1, 5, 1. So the question being, calculate A plus B and A minus B. So let's have a look. So let's start solving this question. So for A plus B, so I'm adding matrix A defined by 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 5, 6, 0, minus 1, 2 matrix B defined by 0, minus 2, 1, 3, 0, 5, 1, 5, 1. So remember, as with the rule, remember what I said, when adding or subtracting, first check whether your matrices concerned are of the same size, and if they are the same size, add or subtract the corresponding elements. Okay? So over here, matrix A is 3 by 3, so I've got 3 rows, 3 columns. Matrix B, also 3 by 3, 3 rows, 3 columns. So in this case, we can add and subtract. So when I add, let's add the corresponding elements. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. So these should be the elements along row number 1. Okay? Let's have a look at row number 2. So first element, 1 plus 3, 4. Second element, 2 plus 0, 2. Third element, 5 plus 5, 10. These should be the elements along row number 2. Last but not least, row 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 0 plus 5, 5. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. So here's the resulting matrix for A plus B. Okay? Now let's do a calculation for A minus B. So matrix A, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 5, 6, 0, minus 1. Minus now, matrix B, 0, minus 2, 1, 3, 0, 5, 1, 5, 1. So now we're subtracting corresponding elements. So first row, 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus of a minus 2 is 3. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, so these are the elements along row number 1. Let's focus on row number 2. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay? And last but not least, row number 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 0 minus 5, minus 5. And last but not least, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. So this is the matrix for A minus B. Okay? So remember, when you add or subtract matrices, add or subtract the corresponding elements, but also remember you can only add or subtract two matrices of the same size or dimension. So that ends this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and in the next video I'm going to go through how we multiply two matrices and the condition involving multiplication.